Mayeni and Macele are always saying Makhumalo is too forward. Makhumalo was overtaking Macele because Macele was supposed to help Musamseleku to build houses in Muzumbe, but Macele decided to stay aside from that compound Muzumbe and go and stay in Sipag. So Makhumalo came in Muzumbe and helped Musamseleku. That's why Macele doesn't like Makhumalo. They are always saying Makhumalo is too forward. Musamseleku saw that Makhumalo is very intelligent. Makhumalo can help him to build houses, to build his company than other wives. Even we saw Makhumalo join Housewives of Durban. Makhumalo have got a salary on Housewives of Durban and Utando Nestembo. Makhumalo knows how to make money. She take that opportunity to be a celebrity. Makhumalo opened Ozomshado and Macele. Makhumalo was trying to help Macele to have her own extra money. Even she has a salary on Utando Nestembo. But Macele can have her own extra money. Musamseleku's wives, they are very relaxed. Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, they don't take that opportunity to be celebrities. Those people are people who have got numbers in South Africa. Their content is more popular than other people's content. They don't take that opportunity. The person who take the opportunity is Makhumalo. She have got many companies to advertise. Musamseleku was the one who told Makhumalo to quit Housewives of Durban because that program, many women are single ladies and their discussion sometimes was out of order sometimes. That's why Musamseleku told Makhumalo to quit. If Musamseleku didn't tell Makhumalo, maybe Makhumalo was on other seasons on Housewives of Durban with Ayanda Ncwane and Nonku. They are always together, but Ayanda Ncwane quit Housewives of Durban. That's why maybe Makhumalo quit because it was toxic sometimes. Musamseleku told Makhumalo to quit, but she make a money on that program. They opened Ozomshado. Ozomshado, Macele was discussing something was out of order to Makhumalo and say you can't have kids with the Musamseleku. Macele want Makhumalo to quit the program. Macele knows how to touch Makhumalo. She knows that if she touch Makhumalo about the issue of the kids, Makhumalo is going to quit that program. But Macele was not fixing anyone. She was fixing herself. Sometimes someone who was trying to help you, you can disgusting or doing something that maybe that project can be destroyed. She was destroying for her own because Makhumalo was trying to help Macele. Macele doesn't go to work. Sometimes I don't understand Macele. Macele sometimes doesn't want to work. Macele quit at the first time they are doing businesses with Makhumalo together. Macele quit and now Makhumalo open a program. That program was playing once a week and on SABC1. You know that SABC1 can pay better salary. But Macele decided to quit and stay at home. I don't think that Macele is a kind of person who like to go to work like other wives. Mayeni was being booed to her work. Mayeni didn't quit. Even she was being booed by other people about their program. Even now, Mayeni, she is still going to work. If Mayeni doesn't want to work and say most of the people, they are saying many things about her, Mayeni was supposed to quit, but she knows that she can't quit because Mayeni knows the kind of man who is married to her. Musamseleku can change anytime. Even Mangwabe is working on public hospital, but Mangwabe didn't quit her job. Every time Makhumalo can try to do something for Macele, Macele says Makhumalo is too forward. You know that people we don't understand. Someone who is trying to help you and you end up being complain to that person, you are starting mocking. Macele starting mocking Makhumalo about that the child issue. And Makhumalo got angry. That program was not going forward anymore, but she was doing for herself. Now Makhumalo have got her own mind. Makhumalo doesn't want to have anything to do with the Musamseleku's wives, to join them to do business with them.